I'm Jessica Minton for IBTimes TV, and I'm joined by Otto from Knight Capital, who's going to weigh in about why there is so much skepticism about the economic data coming out of China. Mark, it's good to see you again. Thank you for joining me.
Thanks for having me back.
Yes, absolutely. So this unprecedented run of export data that has been coming out of China had a lot of analysts skeptical about the fact that they might be hiding some information from us. Is it possible that they're having slower than expected growth?
It certainly did raise a lot of eyebrows when that information came out. I think a lot of this reverts back to the fact that the new Chinese premier in 2007 was quoted as saying that the Chinese GDP is a manufactured number and is unreliable. So that, ever since then, has had a lot of criticism and a lot of people looking sort of skeptically at any type of macro data coming out of China. So I think although, it is a situation where it is your opinion, the other side of the argument is that the San Francisco Fed just came out with a report indicating that they had sort of confirmed with Chinese export-import partners the fact that the information for the GDP for 2012 was accurate and was in line.
Goldman, HSBC, and Nomura theorize that companies might be inflating the value of shipments to bring money to China because of basically to evade currency controls. Do you think companies are basically exporting the same goods twice to claim those tax rebates?
Yeah, I actually read that article. It was posted on Bloomberg a few days back, and it did go into depth. And the fact of the matter is that whole scenario could be motivated by the fact that the yen has depreciated against the yuan approximately 22% over the past 6 months. So you could see that there would be a motivation to do something like that. However, those reports aren't confirmed yet. I believe that there is an investigation that's actually going to go on. So that's definitely a developing situation that a lot of eyes are going to be on.
And finally, China has said it expects growth to grow about 8%. What do you forecast we'll see when the number comes out next week?
Next week, I believe what Bloomberg analysts are forecasting, their median forecast is 8%, and that seems true. So we'll have to wait and see.
Thank you so much for joining me. It was a pleasure to see you again.
Thank you.